Emily Carter sat amid the chaos, her laptop open in front of her, a determined look on her face. She had always struggled with managing her personal and business receipts, but today she was determined to find a solution.
There has to be a better way to organize all of this.
Emily muttered to herself as she shuffled through a stack of receipts, each one more crumpled than the last. After a few minutes of searching, Emily stumbled upon an app called Receipts and Returns. The sleek interface and comprehensive features caught her attention immediately.
This looks like it could really help me.
She thought, clicking eagerly to download it. The app promised to streamline the process of managing both personal and business receipts, offering automatic categorization and easy access to returns. Emily felt a flicker of hope. Emily spent the next few hours clicking receipts into her new app, watching as each one was neatly filed away into its appropriate category. The rain outside began to lighten, a gentle drizzle now replacing the earlier downpour.
This is actually working.
Emily said aloud, a smile spreading across her face as she realized the potential for efficiency and organization this app offered. With her receipts finally in order, Emily leaned back in her chair, feeling a weight lifted off her shoulders. The room was much tidier, and the sense of accomplishment was palpable.
I can't believe I waited this long to do this.
She chuckled to herself. The rain had ceased, leaving the air crisp and clear. Emily breathed in deeply, feeling ready to tackle whatever came next, knowing she had the tools to manage her finances with ease.